Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Congratulations, dear student. Like the previous class, today I also want to give a test on subject verb agreement. I advise you to write down these 15 sentences in your copy. Then try to solve and then compare your solution with this lecture. Okay, now see the solution. I discuss the solution from number 1 to 15. Number 1, he is capable of dash his job. Here in bracket we find do, and here the answer will be after of preposition we have to write doing. So the answer will be he is capable of doing this job. He is capable of doing this job. And number 2, we should refrain from dash evil. Here also in bracket we find do. So here after from a preposition, of course we have to use doing. So here also the answer will be doing. The sentence will be we should refrain from doing evil. And number 3, I don't mind dash a cup of coffee. Here check, we know that after main verb another verb, of course you have to write verb plus ing. In another word, we can say after mind if we use another verb, of course we have to use verb plus ing. So I don't mind taking a cup of tea. Here answer taking. I don't mind taking a cup of coffee. Number 4, it is time or it is high time. After it is time or it is high time, we can use subject plus V2, subject plus V2, or without subject 2 plus V1. Here we find subject, so we have to write here V2. Cleaned. It is high time you cleaned your room. It is high time you cleaned your room. Question number 5, you would rather dash him alone. Here in bracket we find to live. We have to write here only live, because after would rather we can use live, present form of verb. Here would rather is a modal auxiliary verb. After modal auxiliary verb we have to use the present form of verb. So you would rather leave him alone. Number 6, I look forward to dash your letter. Here after look forward to we have to use verb plus ing. So we have to write here I look forward to receiving your letter. I look forward to receiving your letter. Question number 7, when his father dash is uncertain. This is a sentence with future and present. Here according to meaning we have to write when his father will arrive is uncertain. When his father will arrive is uncertain. Number 8, I saw the farmer dash his field. Here saw main verb. If we use another verb, of course we have to use here participle verb plus ing. Here plowing, I saw the farmer plowing his field. I saw the farmer plowing his field. Number 9, all our natural resources. Here subject is plural. So we have to use here have plus V3 because of yet. In a sentence if we find yet, of course we have to use the sentence, we have to write the sentence in present perfect tense. Here in present perfect tense but negative in form. All our natural resources have not explored yet. Have not explored yet. Here answer have not explored. Number 10, the plain dash of just now. Here check. In a sentence if we find just now, the sentence will be in present perfect tense. Here in present perfect tense the plane has taken. The plane has taken off just now. The plane has taken off just now. Number 11. Generally a child is sweet. Here generally indicates present indefinite tense. So we have to write generally a child likes sweet. Here a child third person singular. So we have to use here likes. A child likes sweet. Number 12. If only is equal to would that and if only same meaning here. If only I could see her once. I plus could plus V1. If only plus subject plus could plus V1. If only I could see her once. And number 13, today the youth plural subject. The youth plural subject. So we have to use here are. Today the youth are fond of cricket. Today the youth are fond of cricket. Here number 14. He dashed the country long ago. Here long ago indicates past indefinite tense. So we have to write here left. He left the country long ago. He left the country long ago. Number 15. The principal wants the building. Here another verb. But here wants positive verb. After positive verb, if we use another verb, of course we have to use past participle form of that verb. The principal wants the building painted. The principal wants the building painted. So, dear student, try to solve the questions according to this speaking or according to this lecture, and try to test yourself how you are fit or unfit about subject verb agreement, and then practice more and more. Okay, dear students, no more today. With best regards to you all.